Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Desengrasante 88 is probably one of the most effective degreasers on the market, and today, we're diving deep into its cleaning power. We'll explore its ability to tackle tough grease and grime, and see if it lives up to the hype. I'll be testing it on various surfaces, from kitchen appliances to automotive parts, to give you a comprehensive overview of its performance. Number 5. Dawn Platinum Powerwash Dish Spray, Fresh Scent Bundle. This dish spray is a powerful grease and grime fighter. It eliminates 99% of grease and grime in half the time compared to other brands. It's designed to make your dishes sparkling clean. This dish soap refill has unique cleaning boosters. These boosters provide the power of an overnight soak in just minutes. It's a quick and effective way to clean your dishes. It activates on contact without water. You don't need water until you rinse. This makes it ideal for everyday messes. Just spray, wipe, and rinse. For tougher messes, let the sud sit for a few minutes. This will help to break down the grime. Then, wipe and rinse for a spotless clean. You can save money by reusing the sprayer. Refills are available for your convenience. It's a smart and economical choice for your dishwashing needs. What we like. This dish spray is a champion against grease, cutting through grime in record time. It also has unique cleaning boosters that traditional soaps lack. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution for everyday messes, this is the one for you. Its water-efficient design makes cleaning a breeze. What people say. A quick spray, let it sit for a minute, and food residue on pans and pots loosens and slides right off with minimal effort. It tackles greasy pans, carpet spots, and laundry stains, and I have even used it to clean a ton of sap off my car. The spray nozzle is the best foaming nozzle I've seen on any spray bottle, allowing for an even coverage and zero splashback. Number 4. Oil Eater Original 1 Gallon Cleaner. Introducing Oil Eater Original. This powerful cleaner and degreaser is designed to dissolve grease, oil, and dirt from almost any washable surface. It's the perfect solution for your toughest cleaning challenges. Oil Eater Original is a professional strength formula. It's designed to cut through even the most stubborn stains. It's the ideal choice for both home and industrial use. This product is USDA approved for use in food service facilities. You can trust it to clean effectively without leaving behind harmful residues. It's safe and reliable. The formula is biodegradable and free of harsh solvents. It's non-corrosive, making it safe for various surfaces. It's an environmentally friendly choice. Use it on floors, walls, driveways, grills, and more. It's also great for outdoor furniture, automotive wheels, and even carpet stains. It's your all-in-one cleaning solution. This product is ultra-concentrated, providing excellent value. A little goes a long way, making it an economical choice for all your cleaning needs. It's efficient and effective. What we like. This degreaser is a powerhouse, designed for professional-grade cleaning. Its biodegradable formula is a plus for the environment. If you have tough stains on various surfaces, from floors to tools, you should consider it. It's a versatile solution for all your degreasing needs. What people say. Desengrasante 88 is a great product for cleaning engines. It is very effective at removing grease and grime. The product is easy to use and apply. Number 3. Chemical Guys Orange Degreaser Spray, Heavy Duty Cleaner. This powerful degreaser quickly breaks down grease, oil, and grime. It provides a deep, professional clean for various surfaces. The professional strength formula dissolves tough grease and road grime. It restores surfaces with ease, making it perfect for multiple vehicles. This degreaser is safe for engine bays, wheels, tires, and tools. It delivers effective cleaning power wherever tough buildup occurs. The concentrated formula can be diluted or used full strength. Simply spray, scrub, and rinse for fast and effective degreasing results. Developed for detailers, this engine cleaner is trusted worldwide. It tackles the dirtiest jobs with speed and reliability. Infused with a signature orange scent, it makes cleaning more enjoyable. It leaves behind a fresh, clean finish after degreasing. Bring back the clean look of parts and tools. This heavy-duty degreaser is great as an engine cleaner spray. What we like. This degreaser is formulated for heavy-duty cleaning, tackling even the toughest grease and grime. It's safe for various surfaces, from engines to tools. If you like a fresh citrus scent while you clean, this product will make the job more enjoyable. It's a professional strength solution for enthusiasts. What people say. Desengrasante 88 is a great product for cleaning engines. It is very effective at removing grease and grime. It works very well on all types of surfaces. Number 2. ZEP Heavy Duty Degreaser Cleaner Concentrate, 1 gallon. Introducing ZEP Heavy Duty Citrus Degreaser. This powerful cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest grease and grime. It's safe for a variety of surfaces, making it a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. This degreaser is restaurant grade, meaning it's formulated to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It effectively removes oil, grease, adhesive, and kitchen soil. You can trust it to get the job done right. Use it on appliances, grills, stovetops, concrete, tools, engines, and more. The formula is designed to be effective on various materials like fiberglass, aluminum, and stainless steel. It's a true multi-purpose cleaner. Avoid using it on glass, acrylic glass, plastics, auto paint, leather, or natural stone surfaces. Always check the surface compatibility before applying. This ensures the best results and prevents any damage. For areas with thick grease buildup, like around cooking spaces and ovens, allow extra time for the product to work its magic. This will ensure complete removal of the toughest grime. It's a citrus-based solvent for effective cleaning. What we like. This degreaser is restaurant grade, meaning it's built to handle serious cleaning tasks. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that can be used on various surfaces. If you have a lot of grease buildup in your kitchen or workshop, this is the perfect solution. It's a powerful cleaner with a natural citrus solvent. What people say. Desengrasante 88 is a great product for cleaning engines. It is very effective at removing grease and grime. It is easy to use and does not require a lot of effort. Number 1. STANLEY Original Degreaser, Powerful Cleaning Solution. Tired of stubborn grease and grime? This degreaser from STANLEY Home Products cuts through tough messes in seconds. It does the hard work for you, making cleaning easier. This powerful formula tackles stubborn messes, even in hard or soft water. It works hard to eliminate grease buildup, leaving surfaces clean and fresh. Use it on cookware, grills, dishes, woodwork, countertops, and more. This all-purpose cleaner removes dirt, grease, and grime from various surfaces. A single 32 ounces bottle provides enough concentrate for 32 gallons of cleaning solution. It's a cost-effective solution for all your cleaning needs. Available in 1-, 2-, or 4-count packages, it's ideal for both home and professional use. Choose the size that best fits your needs and enjoy the cleaning power. What we like. This degreaser dissolves grease and grime in seconds, making your cleaning tasks much easier. Its powerful formula works well in both hard and soft water. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that delivers gallons of cleaning power, you should consider this. It's a great choice for both home and commercial use. What people say. Desengrasante 88 is a very good product. It is very effective at removing grease and dirt. It is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.